The motorcycle world is buzzing again. After the wild news that Kawasaki might bring back the two-stroke engine in this modern era, now Suzuki is stepping into the spotlight. Rumor has it, Suzuki is preparing to revive one of their most legendary machines from the 80s. Say hello to the possible comeback of the Suzuki RG 500 Gamma. Back in the day, this beast was an absolute icon. The RG 500 Gamma came straight out of the racing world, powered by a 500 cubic centimeters square 4 two-stroke engine, basically a street-legal GP bike. It was fast, raw, and had that aggressive two-stroke sound that riders loved. No wonder it became a dream bike for collectors and speed junkies around the world. Now Suzuki might just bring it back with a modern twist. Of course, the new RG 500 Gamma would have to be updated for today's roads, cleaner emissions, new tech, modern design, all that good stuff. But the big question is, will it still rock a two-stroke engine? Visually, this thing is pure nostalgia, but sharper. The square headlamp gives you instant 80s flashbacks, but it's now updated with a modern white LED unit, keeping the classic shape while adding functionality. The fairings are more sculpted, the lines more aggressive, and the old-school blue-white-red livery makes sure it still screams RG 500 from every angle. Under the fairings sits an all-new 500 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine. Maybe it will be tuned with direct fuel injection and a modern emission system. Yeah, you heard that right, a two-stroke that's €5 plus compliant. Feels like a dream, but the dreams will come true. Someday at least. You still get that high RPM scream, but with better mid-range and throttle response. Suzuki nailed the balance between raw character and daily usability. Using gold-coated up-seated-down front forks, it already fully adjustable, premium feel, and with aluminum twin-spar frame which is lightweight, super rigid, became a perfect combinations for two-stroke style expansion chamber exhaust. Big, loud, and beautiful. Sadly, this is just AI-generated motorcycles from the person who really need two-stroke hit the street again though.